step one of the Shim, Sham, Shimmy. Now, a little history on this. The Shim, Sham, Shimmy is a routine that was put together by Leonard Reed sometime 20s or 30s, a long time ago. It's got 4 basic steps and a break. It's relatively simple to pick up, but you got to know what the different steps are. Now, one thing that's happened over the years is there are slight variations. So if you go on YouTube and you find somebody doing the Shim Sham, it might be a little different than what we do here. I'm actually going to do it the way that Gloria Essenwein does it. This is not the way I initially learned it, but it's one of the variations that's pretty well known out there. So, the first step is just called the Shim Sham. The Shim Sham can be done several ways. The way we're going to do it is we're going to do it with a scuffle or a big spank step. Okay? A lot of tappers, you'll see them doing stomp, spank, step, stomp, spank, step. We're not going to do that. We're going to do the scuffle. If you see Shirley Temple doing it, you'll see the stomp, spank, step. So this is a step we already know. Okay? Heel, spank, step, heel, spank, step, heel, spank, ball change, and then we do it on the left. Heel, spank, step, heel, spank, step, heel, spank, ball change, heel, spank, step, and then we do it one more time on the right. Heel, spank, step, heel, spank, step, heel, spank, ball change, heel, spank, step. Now it's at this point we go into the break, and I'm going to film the break separately, just because it's used in several of the steps, so it's probably kind of a little nugget on its own. So from the back, it'll look like this. Heel, spank, step, heel, spank, step, heel, spank, ball change, heel, spank, step, heel, spank, step, heel, spank, step, heel, spank, ball change, heel, spank, step, heel, spank, step, heel, spank, step, heel, spank, ball change, heel, spank, step. Now, one thing to remember when you get to the end of this, last heel, spank, step, you don't really want to put your weight on it, so it's really more of a touch. Because when we go into the break, which will be on a separate video, you'll need that right foot to be free. All right? So we do it 3 times, but the last time we end up with just a touch. And remember, if you see other videos, they may be doing it slightly differently. They may be going step, spank, step. That's a little harder. Especially when you get up to speed. Or you could do it with shuffles, which we do in some of our other dances. So if you see variations, don't let it freak you out. There's no one way to do it, but basically this is the Shim, Sham, Shimmy. Step 1 called the Shim Sham.